Yeah,
to not take example.
yeah, continue.
फूड मीन्स जैसे आपने बोला कि सका या पाया, आप ये कह रहे थे, तो हम इसमें जैसे कि कुड आई हैव अ कॉफी प्लीज, हम किसको कह रहे हैं कि मैं कॉफी ले सकता हूँ, मैम फिर ये तो इसमें कैसे कुड
नहीं,
आएगा?
आपने ऑफर करना है ना किसी को. यू आर ट्राइंग टू ऑफर इट टू समवन.
कुड आई हैव अ कॉफी प्लीज?
Could I have a coffee? Yeah, it is fine. Could I have a coffee? It's fine. क्या मैं कॉफी ले सकती हूँ? Can I have a coffee is better, but could I also is not the most wrong thing in the world. You can say it.
मैम एक और मैम, आई विश आई कुड रन फास्टर।
I wish I could run faster. Yes.
मैम इसका
I
मीनिंग
could.
बताओ मैम,
Hmm.
मैम इसका मीनिंग बताओ मैम, आई विश आई कुड रन फास्टर।
काश मैं तेज भाग काश मैं
Success.
तेज भाग सकूं.
Success.
सकूंगा।
हाँ, सकूंगा नहीं, सकूं. Like I wish.
I wish I can run fast.
There are certain exceptions. वो तो हम लोगों को accept करना ही पड़ेगा. Like I wish I could do this.
कभी तो लगता है ये पास में यूज होते जैसे
हाँ,
कुड सका।
कैन का कई बार ये सेकंड फॉर्म, कैन का ये पास्ट फॉर्म भी यूज होता है. गुड.
Could.
इट इज समटाइम्स यूज्ड एज अ पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ कैन आल्सो.
समटाइम्स मैम प्रेजेंट में भी यूज हो रहा है।
यस, प्रेजेंट में यूज हो रहा है क्योंकि आपने लिखा आई विश आई कुड रन फास्टर. आई विश, मैं
Cast.
उस टाइम पे मैं भाग पाता. आई विश आई कुड रन फास्टर. तो प्रेजेंट तो अभी विश है ना, तो वो प्रेजेंट हो गया. फर्स्ट वर्ब इज डिनोटिंग द टेंस ऑफ द सेंटेंस. आई विश, आई विश्ड नहीं बोला ना, आई विश बोला. राइट. भाग
कर सकते,
पाता.
तो मैं कर सकूँ आई विश, है ना?
या
I wish.
आई विश आई कुड रन फास्टर. राइट. ओके. All right. Let's start with the pronoun. I. I क्या है?
I
What
अपने
is
लिए
I?
होता है मैम.
Hmm?
अपने लिए. अपने लिए.
अपने लिए तो बहुत सारे होते हैं, बट आई मीन्स फर्स्ट पर्सन में जब हम बात करते हैं, जब मैं खुद के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, when
अपने
I'm
लिए.
talking about myself,
Myself.
then it's I, right? In the first person.
I hurt myself.
I hurt myself. Very good.
I can do work myself.
Very good. I can do work myself. So here, this is more like a usage of myself I feel than I. So try
Okay.
more on I. Just I. Nothing else. No other pronoun in that.
Okay ma'am.
Try.
I can do, I have told,
I can. I have cold.
Hmm. I have cold. Very good. Tripta, can you try? Tripta. Sentences with I. Very simple. I am Kajal. I am Tripta. I. मैं हूँ. I am. Right? जब फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर है, मैं. प्लूरल है तो इफ वी आर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल तो क्या हो जाएगा?
be,
वी. वेरी गुड.
B.
सिंगुलर आई, a lot of people, we.
B.
I am a girl, we are all girls. I am a girl, we are all girls. Right?
Okay ma'am.
Right. Okay. आगे. Let's try another one.
I
Me.
have
This is
already done
with
my,
first person. Yes.
I have already done my homework.
I have already done my homework. Very good. Kajal, why was done used here instead of do?
मैम मुझे क्लियर नहीं आ रही आवाज.
मैं बोल रही हूँ why was done used here instead of do? I have already done my homework. Why done?
मैम इसमें दो चीजों का इस्तेमाल हुआ है,
हम्म
जैसे कि मैं अपना काम पहले ही कर चुकी हूँ, मतलब
हम्म
इसलिए वाई यूज हुआ है।
because इसमें have आया है ना. As soon as you see
ओह,
have, you have to see the third form of the verb. Right?
ओके।
Do, did, done. Right? I did my homework. I have already done my homework.
I couldn't meet my relatives.
I couldn't.
Meet my relatives.
Very good. I couldn't meet my relatives. इसमें you use modals and both the second, both the pronoun. Very good. Next, the usage of me. Can you explain? Me. I, me, myself. Me. Yes.
ही इज एज गुड एज मी।
He is as good as me. Very good. Ripta, first explain me कि me कब आता है?
He's he's going to
मैम
market
Hmm.
for me.
He's going to market for me. Very good.
ही इज नहीं,
See,
माय
there
हस्बैंड
is,
सब।
I will tell you. There is a sentence. In a sentence, wait. I will share my screen with you. You'll be able to understand it better. See, there is a sentence which starts with a subject. Right? Can you see my screen?
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Yeah. So the sentence is with the subject. Then you usually have a verb, and then you have a what? An object. Right?
Hmm.
Right? Whenever we have to use denote first person in subject, then you use I. But जैसे ही whenever it is as an object, that means I am not doing the verb, the kriya मैं नहीं कर रही. The action is not done by me, then means it is used as an object. So it will be me. For example, my mom hugged me.
My my mother is preparing food for me.
Food for me. So
For
here
me.
the first person here me, that means
Hmm.
मैं एक
Hmm.
ऑब्जेक्ट हूँ. तो हमने जब उसे ऑब्जेक्ट में लिया तो हमने उसे क्या बोला?
Me.
Me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you give
माय
me other examples?
माय हस्बैंड gave
Yes.
me a surprise on my birthday.
My husband gave me a surprise on my birthday. Very good. So husband, your who is doing the action here?
Husband.
Husband is doing the action. He is giving, but to the object. So you are the object. So husband gave me the surprise on my birthday. Got it? So whenever it is an object, you can use me. But what in the case of you? What about you? You में क्या हो जाता है? You first person is you. You
You.
are good, for example, right? You are my friend. Here you is the subject. You is the subject.
Okay.
You is the subject. You काम कर रहा है, right?
Okay.
Now
Yes.
let's make you as the object. तो you as an object में change होता है कुछ? Tripta, can
Yourself.
you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
You.
You yourself, ma'am.
No, not yourself.
Ma'am, you are in
For
object.
example,
You.
जैसे यहाँ पे था my mom hugged me, right? Hugged me. मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे गले लगाया. अगर मी की जगह पे मेरी मम्मी ने तुम्हें गले लगाया, तो इधर क्या हो जाएगा? यू आ जाएगा ऑब्जेक्ट. तो इसको
Yes,
कैसे
ma'am.
चेंज करेंगे? My
My mom hugged you.
mom hugged
You.
You.
you. Simple. So you see, if you is used as an object or if you is used as a subject, it doesn't change.
I am preparing food for you.
I am preparing food for you.
For you.
Beautiful. Here we used I as a subject and you was the object, right?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Next,
Okay.
let's come to third person. He. He is good. He is good. Right? He is my friend. He is my friend. But now if I have to use he as an object, how will I change it? My mom
My mom
hugged,
is
Hugged him.
hugged him. Very good. So यहाँ आ जाएगा my mom hugged him. Right? Him. So अगर हमें जब हम ही जो है एक्शन नहीं कर रहा, third person is not doing the action but the action is done to him. Right? Right? For example, my husband gifted a watch to him. या फिर my husband gifted him a watch. Got it? क्रिया कौन कर रहा है? Who's doing the action?
My husband.
My husband is doing the action, right? So my husband gifted him the watch. Got it?
okay.
Because here the pronoun he or him is not doing the action. That is why. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's move on. Let's go with she. She. Give me a sentence with she.
She is going to perform well in the exams.
Okay, she is going to perform well in the exams.
She is happy.
She is going to take the exam. Let's say she is going to take the exam. Exam take करते हो. You don't give exam. You take the exam. ठीक है?
Okay.
Always remember this. You always take the exam. So she is going to take the exam. Very good. Tripta, can you give me another example?
She is going to take her exam. Her.
Take her exam. वो अपना एग्जाम लेगी. This is a little different.
मैम she का चल रहा है ना?
She का बनाओ. She का. और मतलब हर मतलब लगाओ. Just use she. Use.
Okay.
Let's understand the usage of she better first.
He will give you a reward.
She will give you a reward. Very good. She will give you a reward. Give you a reward. Okay, very good. What next? Tripta?
He is my best friend.
Hmm?
He is my best friend.
She is my best friend. Very good.
She can good.
Hmm?
She can good swimming.
She can.
Swimmer.
No, she can. Good swimming is not a right sentence. Can you tell me what is wrong in this one? She can good swimming.
She could be a good swimmer.
Hmm? She is a good swimmer. Okay. और कैसे बना सकते हैं इसको better? She can swim very well. Can के साथ बनाना है तो she is a good swimmer. And if you still want to keep the can, you can say that she can swim
Very well.
very well.
Very well.
Okay.
Fan बंद कर दो. Fan बंद कर दो.
She can swim very well. Got it?
Yes.
All right. तो she can good swimming में क्या करती थी?
Yes, ma'am.
She can good swimming में क्या करती थी?
And swimming स्विम आना चाहिए ना मैम, आईएनजी नहीं आना चाहिए।
Yes, she can swim very well.
आईएनजी यूज करते तो इजएमआर कुछ यूज होता मैम।
Very good. You got it now? ये इसीलिए ये extremely
Wrong.
गलत है. This is wrong. Okay.
ओके
Next, who can give me another one on? Okay, let's use she as an object. If she is used as an object, what does it change into?
मैम, व्हेन वी यूज ऑब्जेक्ट शी वी यूज हर वर्ड मैम।
We use her. Very good. So make a sentence on her. Make a
Sorry.
sentence on her.
Neha is going to the market with her friend.
Neha is going to the market with her friend. Just give me 1 second, okay? This is. Yes. What was the sentence that you gave me?
Neha is going to the market with her friend.
Neha is going to the market with her friend. Can you say that her is an object here?
Yes, ma'am.
Her is the object here? With her
Yes,
friend.
ma'am.
Her is not the object. उसके साथ जा
वो
रही है. वो
starting
अपनी
में
दोस्त के साथ जा रही है.
जा रही है.
Her is the अपना here. It's not the object.
Okay.
Here, her is used in the possessive adjective. It
Okay.
is used as a possessive adjective. Possessive adjective.
Objective.
So just action हर के ऊपर हो वैसा sentence बनाना है.
हर के ऊपर.
Try another one. For example, एक मैं बना के दिखाती हूँ. I gave her a glass of water. Right? What is this? I gave her a glass of water. Here, her is used. मैंने उसे दिया. Right? So object, subject is I. Subject is I. Object is her. Right? I gave her a glass of water and this is the verb here. Got it? मतलब मैंने क्रिया करी और इसके ऊपर क्रिया हुई. Got it?
No. My parents has bought a gift for her.
My parents have bought a gift for her. Very good. Beautiful.
Let her go.
Let her go.
उसे
Very
जाने
good.
दो.
उसे जाने दो. Beautiful. All right. We have a demo class with us. I added that person. Hello, Geeta. Hello. All right. Let's move ahead. Did you understand the usage of her here? Kritika, Kajal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Let's move ahead. It. It. It क्या होता है?
I think
It
it
Yeah.
it was
It is prepared by me.
It किसी के लिए
It is third person. थर्ड पर्सन नहीं, थर्ड थिंग. जब इंसान नहीं किसी चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं तब हम बोलते हैं इट. ओके
third person.
गीता, आर यू देयर? प्लीज turn on your mic. I can't hear you. I can't see you.
It has all.
Yes,
It has all done for you.
it has.
It has all done for you.
It has all done for you.
ये सब तुम्हारे लिए किया है.
It has. It has all done for you. It has. नहीं, it नहीं आएगा. This is all being done for you.
It might be rain today.
It might rain today. It might rain today. Might rain today. Very good.
It was the earthquake.
It was the earthquake. Very good. What else?
Uh,
It is very cold day. It is very sunny day.
it was a rainy day.
It was a rainy day. It was a rainy day. It was a rainy day. Right? Got it? More usage of it.
It is for things.
अरे कुछ बताए तो सही. Who is this Geeta Kushwash? Kushwa, please answer. Please say something. If you are in this class, you need to say something. I don't know if this is a demo class or not. I'm removing this. या प्रवचन सुनने थोड़ी आते हैं. Okay. It was a rainy day. More on it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It पे और बनाओ.
It was.
It is a fluffy toy. Fluffy toy, right?
Ma'am, what is this? Fluffy.
Fluffy. FLUFFY. Fluffy. मेरा और गंदा हो गया. It is a fluffy toy. What else?
Fluffy means?
Fluffy होते हैं ना?
Ma'am,
इसे
जो
fluffy.
भरा हुआ कुछ.
हाँ, जो भरा हुआ और सॉफ्ट होता है और बहुत क्यूट होता है.
Dog is like a
fluffy mean in
fluffy.
Hindi. Very light and very fluffy.
Okay.
Very
Like this, my dog is very dog was fluffy. My dog was fluffy.
Yes, my dog is fluffy. So होता है ऐसे, you feel like touching it. Soft
Yeah.
and it's, nice. It's fluffy. Okay. Baki pronouns we'll practice tomorrow. Now we are going to get back to speaking exercise.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, someone calling me, ma'am. I talk with after that.
What?
Ma'am, someone calling me. I will attend after some time.
All
Only
right.
2 minutes.
All right. Okay, Kajal.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's practice. Let's do a speaking exercise now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What do you want to talk about? Do you have a topic in mind? Something that you want to talk about?
Nothing special, ma'am.
Something.
Mm,
Think of something.
uh, Nothing,
Hmm?
ma'am. Like when we have to use, ma'am, these or these.
Okay, let's. You both are married, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to talk about the good and bad sides of marriage. Okay, good and the bad sides of marriage. Why is it good to be married and why it's not good to be married? What do you miss when you were unmarried and what do you know, something like that. Don't get too personal, but you can talk about the good and the negative, the bad of marriage. Let's do that.
A
Okay.
marriage good for us. Such
Huh?
good. Okay, ma'am. I will have.
Okay. You guys need a minute to prepare.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Then I'll give you 2 minutes, and then after 2 minutes we're going to start. Let's start. Okay. All right, let's begin. Who's gonna go first? Tripta? Kajal? Yeah. What do you think are the good and this bad of being married?
Uh, Ma'am, first of all, improving economic well-being,
Hmm?
family connections, ma'am, important family connections,
Hmm.
and improving economic well-being.
Make full sentences, Kajal.
Yes, ma'am.
Make full sentences.
मैम हमारी इनकम इंक्रीज होती है आफ्टर मैरिज इट
Income increase
इम्प्रूव
होती है.
या
So how will you say that?
आफ्टर मैरिज इकोनॉमिक सोर्सेज आर मोर
Our income increases. That's it.
ओके
After marriage, our income increases. Right?
ओके
That's it.
एंड more family gatherings and more family connections are there,
Yeah. So you get better family connections.
better family connections.
Good enough. Tripta, do you want to say something?
Ma'am, I have write down
Hmm.
some lines.
Yeah.
मैम कुछ लाइन्स लिखी है मैम, बेटा आया हुआ है मैम.
Okay.
मैरिज इज इम्पोर्टेंट रोल फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस.
Hmm.
आफ्टर मैरिज I know we have too many responsibilities.
Hmm.
After marriage, I know we have to
We
manage,
have many responsibilities.
have many responsibilities,
Hmm.
but has learned many things
Hmm.
like how to manage between many people.
Hmm.
Starting, we have to starting we have to क्या करेगा? Starting we have to suffering.
In starting, we have to.
मैंने वो नहीं लिखा, लिख रही थी मैं.
सोचो क्या बोल रहे थे आप? What were you trying to say?
Starting we have to difficult to manage all this.
So we can say that in the beginning, we have to face a few difficulties,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Or we can say that we marriage has a bumpy start. Write down. Bumpy start matlab marriage has a bumpy start.
Okay.
But means then
What is a bumpy start? Marriage has a bumpy start. What does that mean? Bumpy start. बम्पी स्टार्ट मतलब शुरुआत थोड़ी सी बम्पी होती है. बम्पी पता है राइड बम्पी होती है ना. व्हाट इज अ बम्पी राइड?
Um,
बम्पी राइड रुकावटों से भरी राइड.
okay.
रुकावट बम्प बम्प आता है ना. बम्प ऐसे ऐसे रास्ते में जैसे दिस इज अ रोड. इफ
breakup.
आप सड़क पे
Okay.
जा रहे हो. दिस प्रॉब्लम्स दैट यू हैव लिटिल प्रॉब्लम्स जो होते हैं ना उनको बम्प्स कहते हैं. Right? So
Okay, ma'am.
little problems are bumpy. So we can say that the marriage has a bumpy start, right?
Like the speed breakers, ma'am.
Like not speed breakers, but yeah, speed breakers are a little more than bumps. But yeah,
Okay.
we face difficulties. We what do we do?
है
What do
bumpy.
we do? We face difficulties, right? ये
In
लिख लो.
yes, ma'am.
Face difficulties in the beginning. Very good, Tripta. What else?
After that, it will
Yes.
easy. At- After that, it will easy. for us.
That yeah, because आदत पड़ जाती है.
Yes, ma'am.
तो आदत पड़ने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Uh, regular,
Yes.
regular, no.
No. We
Uh,
get used to the married life, right? Used to the
use.
routine. Used to. It can be anything. है ना? I can get used to the. For example, I got used to online classes or teaching online.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Everyone has gotten used to online classes. So you get used to the new routine. New routine is very difficult, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you get used to the new routine. What else? What else can you get used to?
Yes, uh,
Used to. मुझे इसकी आदत पड़ जाएगी, पड़ सकती है, पड़ गई है, एनीथिंग.
addiction,
हम्म.
addiction.
आप मुझे एग्जांपल बताओ किसकी आदत पड़ सकती है हमें. व्हाट ऑल अदर थिंग्स दैट वी कैन गेट यूज्ड टू. यूज्ड टू इज अ वेरी कॉमन वे. मुझे इसकी आदत है. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मैं इससे अडिक्टेड हूं, बट आई एम यूज्ड टू दिस. गॉट इट?
Yes.
देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. एडिक्शन इज लाइक सिवियर, मोर
Okay.
स्ट्रांग, बट यूज्ड टू इज लाइक मुझे आदत है. आई डू दिस.
I used to make for household chores.
Yeah, you get used to doing the household chores. You do the household chores, right? So you get used to do the household chores. Very good, Tripta. Kajal, can you try?
We can use to
Get used
do
to.
get used to do all the how related to the household
वो तो हो गया ना,
chores.
household chores. This the word that you have to use is household chores. What else? What do you get used to? Chalo, this is enough. Now you understood the usage of used to.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I used to make him make him do their homework. क्या कहेंगे?
Kids homework.
फिर से बताओ.
I used to uh, make him do their homework.
Make him do his homework. Make them do their homework. तो दोनों अलग है. फिर से बोलो.
Okay.
I am used to.
I'm used to do his homework daily.
You are doing his homework.
To make him.
फिर से बताओ. कौन किसका होमवर्क कर रहा है, उस हिसाब से सेंटेंस बनाओ.
मुझे उनका होमवर्क कराने की इजी हो
I
गया.
can.
So you can say I got used to make them do their homework. Right?
Ma'am, please can you repeat?
I got used to make them do their homework. आपको स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही मेरी? I have shared the screen. I'm writing
Just a
everything
second.
down for you.
Yes, ma'am, yes.
No, ma'am. I
I
don't.
got, मुझे आदत पड़ गई. So I got used to make them do their homework.
Ma'am, I don't get the messages.
Not the messages, Kajal. The
No,
screen. I have shared the screen.
screen, ma'am. Just a second. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Can you see it now?
Go.
Okay.
Do
Very
the
good.
homework.
Let's move ahead. What are the negatives of being married? What are the negative sides? The bad sides of the bad face of marriage. Do you have any thoughts on it?
Yeah, limited level of freedom.
Okay, so freedom is sacrificed, right? Limited
Yeah.
freedom. Why do you think you have
Uh,
limited freedom?
if we
More time to
uh,
ourselves.
if we are living in a joint family,
Yeah.
most of, we have to ask everything. If we want to go out for this and that,
So
we have
ask
to
everything. बार
explain.
बार पूछना पड़ता है. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? We have to take permission. Write down. Take permission.
We have to take permission.
We have to take permission.
Ma'am,
Right? Yes,
we
Krita.
have we have to face very difficulty
Hmm.
for take time ourselves.
Yes. So it's hard to take time out for ourselves. क्या बोलेंगे?
It's hard
It's hard
to take time
to take time,
for ourselves.
take some time out, or take time out for ourselves. Right? Ourselves. अपने लिए टाइम निकालना मुश्किल होता है. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Also, your
If,
priorities changes. Right?
yes, ma'am. If
What is your priority, Kajal?
priority, ma'am, priority सब कैसे समझाऊं? Hmm. First thing,
Something which is very important in your
that
life. Right?
yeah, yes, ma'am.
You say that always, have a
First,
priority list.
first
What is more
priority.
important, what is not important. So before marriage, your priorities were different. Now after marriage, your priorities are different.
Yeah,
Right? So tell me,
We have to, ma'am, we have to make balance between
yes,
my
between
yes,
we have to make balance between
we have to not make balance, but say we have to
we have to
maintain balance. Maintain balance. Between किसके किसके बीच में?
between myself in myself
Yeah, tell me, किसके बीच में बैलेंस बनाना पड़ता है?
अपने लिए टाइम निकालने के लिए या फिर घर के लिए.
So we have to maintain balance between our personal life and our household chores, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kajal,
yes, ma'am.
how do our priorities change after marriage?
Totally different, ma'am. Uh, after marriage, we have to no.
We can
It's
say that
ma'am.
the career of kids become more important than your own career,
Yeah,
right? So
yes, ma'am.
write down career of kids is more
Career.
important than our own career, right? All right, what else? और बताओ negatives.
If we are alone, we have to suffer individually.
Yes, if you're not married, then you'll have to suffer
Individually.
individually, suffer alone. But in my opinion, what I think is that unmarried women are
Yeah.
more strong than married women are,
Yes, ma'am.
right? But what is your opinion on that? You can of course counter me. You can say that I'm wrong, Kajal.
No, you're not wrong. I think. if
When
you
we
Hmm?
ma'am, I think when
Hmm?
you have strong willpower
Hmm?
after marriage, मतलब हमारे अंदर सहन शक्ति मतलब और बढ़ जाती है, आई थिंक ये कहा जाएगा. When we compare to before marriage, I think we
Yes.
I think increase हो गई है क्या कहेंगे. We have increased our
Our
सहने की
patience has
क्षमता,
increased.
yes, will power
Willpower.
will power will be increased,
Hmm?
increase,
Our willpower
then
increases. Will be increased. क्यों?
increase,
है
Hmm?
ना.
after marriage.
Hmm?
Uh,
मैम सहनशीलता को क्या कहेंगे मैम बदलने से.
सहनशीलता is सहन करने के कारण. Tolerance,
Tolerance power.
right?
I think yes ma'am. I think tolerance power has increased.
Tolerance increases. Not tolerance power, but let's say tolerance,
Tolerance.
right? What more? How has your life changed? How was your life before marriage and how is your life right now? Let's talk about that.
And when we take positive ways, I think it's all beautiful.
हाँ फिर से बोलो.
And when we take positive ways, it's all beautiful.
When we take
Positive ways,
positive days.
positive ways. When we take positive ways,
Hmm.
it's all beautiful.
Yeah, that's also right.
Everyone has 2 points, positive and negative. When we take positive, all things is positive, not negative. All things
Yes. So
positive.
everything has two sides. So we can say there are two sides of a coin.
Yes.
एक
yeah,
सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं. So there are two sides of a coin. लिख लो.
there are.
जितनी भी नई नई चीजें मैंने सिखाई है, न्यू वर्ड सिखा रही हूँ, इन सब पे सेंटेंसेस बनने चाहिए कल. ओके. So we can say there are two sides of a coin.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am.
What else? So on the bright side, on the good side, you can say on the bright side, the good days are very beautiful. Right?
Right, ma'am.
Write it down. On the bright side, matlab on the positive side. On the
right.
bright side, the good days are very beautiful.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी मैम.
है ना?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Practice and make sentences. Okay? Practice pronounce more. We are going to discuss a little bit more on pronouns tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Pronouns ढंग से discuss करेंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Okay, ma'am.
चलो bye bye. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye
Ciao.
bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Bye.
ma'am. Bye.